take the chicken off of the bone. It makes cooking the chicken a lot faster. First you find the bone here on the chicken and just slowly cut away at the breast right alongside the bone. Until you get down to the wishbone. Cut right through the wishbone. Turn it around and continue cutting the breast away from the bone. Take the leg and pop this bone through so you know where to cut. And then finish cutting. Continue cutting all of the breast away. Then you put this half down and that's ready to go. And do the same thing on the other side. Just show them this. Okay. And that's the other half. And then the rest you can use to make stock.